Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. An Old Harbour woman has been shot in Lithonia, Georgia, USA. Breaking news.
Deeprootstv, no respect, I keep your thing going, alright? Let's go.
Yeah. Man, that's every time, Deeprootstv, ever vital, every time.
Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Hit that red subscribe button. Family members and friends are still coming to terms with the reality of the devastating news of an Old Harbour woman allegedly killed by her boyfriend in the United States. As Fox5 Atlanta is reporting that the shooting incident occurred about 3 p.m. at the home in Lithonia, Georgia, where the woman was hospitalized in critical condition after she was shot in the head. Details have been sketchy, but otherwise the authorities from the DeKalb County Police Department has released information saying that the suspect is the boyfriend, but the few hours have passed. The news has emerged that the Old Harbour woman that lived in Lithonia, the shooting victim, is a native of Old Harbour, and she has succumbed to her injuries. Checks with multiple sources confirm the deceased to be 23-year-old Shanae Smith, a past student of Old Harbour High School who was studying in the U.S. up to the time that she was killed. Source says that Smith has informed her boyfriend that she was ending the relationship after she was shot in the head. It is unclear how long the couple has been intimate. Ladies and gentlemen, the Old Harbour News has said that the information saying that the suspect is from the same community in Old Harbour as well. The police said they are searching for him. A small crowd has since gathered outside Smith's family home on the West Street in Old Harbour, Jamaica, as all mourns the loss of a wonderful soul, ladies and gentlemen. The life of this lady had a bright future, and it appears that her life has been snuffed out by another jealous Jamaican man. On Smith's Facebook page, heartfelt messages are being tagged to her timeline as relatives and friends come to grips with the sad news. We have been robbed of your life today, Shanae R. Smith. You are the epitome of what a daughter, a niece, a cousin, and a friend should be. I don't know how we will go on without you. If only RIP meant return if possible. Pain in every language, her Aunt Julienne Archer wrote. This can't be real. All now, me I say I prank this. You are such a good soul. A friend posted with teary emoji. Wow. Perletta Wholeness said, no, I can't believe it. The news she just had heard before Rachel Thomas expressed she didn't deserve this at all. Indeed, Smith's death is undeservedly, untimely, and unnecessary. And as the news spread, ladies and gentlemen, rapidly through the Old Harbour neighbor, more questions are being asked. They're emerging. What's happening? This has gripped the community as a heartbreak story, families and friends. It's another situation where a Jamaican man has taken away a beautiful, beautiful young woman. Now, the DeKalb County Police have released a new picture, or have updated the case. In the case where the Old Harbour woman was killed in Georgia, in the United States, and they have released more information. They have stated that he is 24-year-old Keire Schloss, S-C-H-L-O-S-S, Schloss, who remain at large at the moment. You can see him there in a picture with Shanae Smith. Schloss is said to have shot his 23-year-old girlfriend, Shanae Smith, in the head at their home in Lithonia after she informed him that she was ending his relationship. Wow. She was rushed to the nearby hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. The police have opted to identify her alleged killer. And like I said, his name is Keire Schloss. Another situation where you just have to just gasp at the situation. Young lives, 23-year-old Miss Smith and 24-year-old Schloss are both from Harbour, Old Harbour, Jamaica. Wow, the two Old Harbour natives have been friends from their time of attending Old Harbour High School. So they are high school friends. They said Mrs. Smith passed within 3 hours of the incident. This have sent shockwaves through her families and friends home in Jamaica and abroad. Family, it's another senseless killing of another beautiful young Jamaican woman. Although Schloss was taken out of Jamaica at this young age and given the chance to see a better life, it appears that he could not give up Shanae Smith. Goody. Listen, youths. Listen. I know the woman them, especially the Jamaican woman them, have the tight grip. I know them have the goody and them know how to work it, but it don't worth it. Imagine you are run up and down right now and hide, and no man now give you no place to hide. In a foreign, and you look like you're tall. Boy, me can't overstand these young men. Me can't overstand these Jamaican. Now, the DeKalb County Police have released his image and are asking the people them for help. You know, so the foreign emergency number is 911. And Jamaica have it backwards. People, Georgia now ramp with people where do these heinous crimes. So when he's caught, he's going to be extradited. Keire Schloss, we're looking for you. Rastafari soldier say, a idiot thing you do. Shanae Smith, my condolences to your family. Empress, may your soul rest in peace. It's another untimely death for another beautiful Jamaican, another young woman, only 23 years old. It says she recently just graduated from Old Harbour High, and she was continuing her education abroad. friends and families, home and abroad, are coping with a devastating loss. The loss of Shanae Smith, taken, an untimely death, taken away from the families and friends, taken away from Jamaica, taken away from the world by a bastard by the name of Keire, Schloss. When the police them find you, them are going to forward you to Georgia and put you in the slum where our man are going to grind you. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. Let me know why Jamaican men dislike, despise their women so much. If the shun did so good, you not think you could go and find a next Jamaican. If our okubit did so tight, why did you take our life? It's unbelievable. R.I.P. Shanae R. Smith. And now worry yourself. There's going to catch this Schloss, this criminal, this fool, and feed him to one big youth in a jail. People, I am kind of disgusted. I'm distraught. It's another young woman and another young man. Two family, many friends have been shaken for the tragic loss of this young woman, Miss Shanae R. Smith. May your soul rest in peace, my empress. It's Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, here of Deeprootstv. I'm perturbed every time I hear these young women's life being snuffed out, just like a buckle torch. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deeprootstv. If you have not subscribed as yet, subscribe and leave your comment on this one. Share this content for me. A young, beautiful, old Harbour native of Jamaica has lost her life in Lithonia, Georgia, USA. It's been reported that it's her boyfriend from the same community of Old Harbour. Unbelievable. Keire, Schloss is on the run right now. And the Lithonia, the DeKalb County, the Georgia police them are seek your help for bring this bastard into justice. Leave your comment, families and friends. And more life and more joy. It's Rastafari soldier. Jaja.
Man, a Deeprootstv, man. A whole junker there. Fly them sitting here, fly. Yeah. Fire,